Guys, welcome back to my channel. I really want to appreciate those that have subscribed. Many thanks. May God bless you. You that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe though, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll be showing you guys how I created this called Crease. Let's get started. For my brow, I'll be using this Gorilla Knot gel that is actually a hair gel, and a spoolie. I will just put very little on the spoolie to brush it through. I am using the bottom of the spoolie to gently press it to put it in place, and I'll be using a face wipe to clean the top of the brow. I'll be using this LA Girl brow pomade in dark brown with an angled brush. I started by outlining the bottom line of my brow. Then above. Note that I didn't start from the beginning above my brow. Now I'm filling and mimicking my hair with a light stroke. I'll be using Eyelid Pro concealer in pure beige and toffee and a flat brush to highlight my brow. As always, I started by placing the concealer on my brow bone and shape the tail. And less concealer at the beginning. Using a blending brush to blend it in. I'll do the same above my brow and blend. Using a small beauty blender, I am blending the concealer on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. I'll be using this old Morphe shadow palette because it contains all the colors I'll be using. Using this wine color and a flat brush, I will start by outlining the shape I want for the cut crease. I started from the middle above my crease to the inner corner, then to the outer corner. I added more, making sure it is super pigmented. Using a tiny precise blending brush with nothing on it, I am going to slightly blend out the top edge just to give it a little lift. Using a small blending brush and this pink matte color, I will slowly go straight on top and buff it out. I'm taking my time to blend it from the inner corner to the outer corner using a circular motion with a very little pressure. Using a big fluffy blending brush, I will use this light pink color that's also matte to make sure everything is smoothly blended and diffused. Using a makeup remover and a Q-tip, I will clean up the shape of the crease I want to create. And it is above my natural crease, as you can see. You can use your natural crease if your eyes are not a bit hooded as mine. Using a flat brush and eye primer, I will fill it in, creating my crease. Using another flat brush, I will use the same light pink color I used earlier to fill in the crease by just tapping it. For my wings, I'll be using this Eyelid gel liner in very black to draw an extended line on the outer edge of my eye, bringing it close to the inner eye corner. Now you can adjust it according to your desired length and how thin or bold you want it. I will connect it from the inner eye corner. You can use a concealer to clean it up to define it. For the face, it is good to prep your skin first, especially if you have a dry skin. Use a moisturizer or this Eyelid primer spray. But I have an oily skin, so I'll be using this pond, especially on my T-zones that I sweat a lot. Then I'll also be using this Flawless Ivy face primer. I'm using my hands to blend it, and I'll leave it for just a minute to settle. I'll be using this Eyelid matte foundation in caramel and a flat foundation brush to apply it first before blending it with a soft and wet beauty blender. I'll make sure I blend it on my neck and my ear to avoid any harsh lines. For highlighting, I am using the same concealer I used to highlight my brow. I will highlight the center of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my under eye. Using the same beauty blender I used earlier, I'll be blending it by gently tapping it. I will be using this Eyelid setting powder in yellow banana to bake all the areas I highlighted. To contour my face, I'll be using this fluffy blending brush and a dark brown powder from Flawless Ivy powder palette. I am blending it below my cheekbone, taking it to my forehead and blending it on my hairlines too. To contour my nose, I'll be using this angled brush to make a line starting underneath my eyebrow, taking it to the side of my nose and to the tip of my nose, and using the same brush to blend it. I'll also highlight below my cheekbone. Using this fluffy powder brush and this powder shade, I'll be blending the setting powder and all the harsh lines. To set my face, I'll be using the setting spray from Eyelid. I'll be using this Maybelline mascara on my upper and lower lashes. For my false lashes, I started by placing it close to my lash line on the outer corner of my eye, then to the inner corner of my eye. I don't really like blush, but I'll be using very little on top of my cheekbone. I'll be using this Flawless Ivy Glow Kit on the bridge of my nose, on my cheekbone, And I will use the remaining on the brush on my forehead and my chin. I will be using this brown Zaron pencil to outline my lips. And a nude lip stain. My eyes are a little red because I'm reacting to the MAC pencil I used on my waterline. And that is it, guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Don't forget. See you on my next video, guys. Bye.